All right. I hate that the first thing that's on here is me trying to center a div, but that's just how life works. I'm asking AI because I don't know what needs to be done here. Oh, it's not even mobile nav. Uh, this is doing this. Uh, Oh, that could be a problem. Both of these. This is disgusting. I watch sometimes, but mostly just to cheer for the underdog, whoever that is. Huh. Also, who ended up winning the what is that talent show? The singing talent show. Who won that again? I forgot which country. Euro something, Euro voice, or I forgot the name of it. Accept current change, accept both changes. Let's do that. Accept both changes. Let's just keep on just jamming that in. Oh, whoops. I went too far. Let's do that. Eurovision. Okay. Was it Spain? Okay. I finally got that working now. The next thing would be to kind of like at the moment. Recorded a bunch of piano. Piano? You play the piano? Hmm. Interesting. Do share. Do share. If you feel comfortable doing so. Let me add another link to this. A deeper, darker link. I need that. Do you have a YouTube channel? Wait, am I not subscribed to your YouTube channel? Wait. Also, I don't know if y'all have noticed, but like on Twitch, I don't know if it's just me or it seems like everything on Twitch, the developers just added a border radius to everything. Like a border radius of like 16 pixels to everything. And now everything's just rounded. All good, all good. Does it look weird to anybody else? I don't hate it. It's just like a different thing. I was like, why is everything just rounded now? Let's do that. I kind of wanted to mimic this. I'm just gonna call it daily entry. Eh, Oh no, router link. Because it matches their other new elements, but yeah. People complain about everything though. Like if if something just changes slightly, people are just up in arms like, "Oh, this is unusable." Like change is good. Change is okay. Hold up. Okay, I'm back. Oh, that could be a thing. The YouTube redesign, I already know is gonna be mad about it. Wait. Oh, thank you. Wait. How did you know how did you know that I sneeze but you're listening only? I'm confused. I How did you know that? What does the YouTube redesign look like? Have you seen it already? Oh, one of my friends, like, it's weird seeing people in real life that do this, but like for anything that's typing related on their phone, they talk to it. And that's a different type of like phone usage that I'm just not used to doing. Like for all text messages, they talk to it. For YouTube searches, they talk to it. Originally it looked so weird, but they showed it before Apple. I just noticed. I haven't had like any spam followers in a while. Also, McClear, thank you for the follow. My notifications are broken, but you are appreciated here. Um, I don't think I don't think I'm gonna hate liquid glass. I'm not even on my phone like that anymore, like I used to be. So I'm not um like up in arms about it. But did you hate Windows Vista? The look of Windows Vista ever? Oh, of every Windows. Oh, even 8? No, I'm playing. Oh, Windows 8 should have never happened. Yeah, me too. Me too. Well, not grew up on it, but Windows 8 came out when I was in high school, or was popular when I was in high school. That was the current OS. The thing is, 8 came out whenever like I was still at the tail end of like console gaming, so it made sense because the Xbox was pretty like 8 friendly. The UI matched what Windows 8 was doing. So I didn't hate it because I already had an Xbox. I think 7 was peak. 7 literally was the peak. And then at that point, they just started trying random stuff. Yeah. I didn't hate it. It's just like it was annoying trying to get to like the main menu. Like I had to like hover over something to like reach a random portal. Like it was hidden. And I don't like that. What I wish they wouldn't have given up on was mobile. It was actually designed for, yeah, for mobile. The Windows Phone, even though I didn't have one, I liked them being in the mobile marketplace. But I guess it just didn't get the adoption that they were looking for. I mean, when you have that kind of market power and pull, I mean, you kind of do things you just want to do. um, I should make lucky. You're lucky that you're smart. Uh, what is this called? Daily event? Oh, daily entry. I need to stop doing this. Wait, I need to stop doing this. Camel case. Let's do camel case. It's the same as Apple wanting to unify all their design languages. Yeah. But I don't think I've ever been a part of an Apple update that I just absolutely hated the design refresh. All of them seem pretty good to me. People hated the Photos app though. I think it's okay. Really? I don't hate it. Just scroll down a little bit and you'll have like access to everything like that was once, you know, certain elements. Yeah. I, I like Microsoft though. Everyone else hates it, but I like Microsoft. Oh, let's do this path. Uh, let's do that. But now there's a new thing here where I need to make that. And let's go from there. I'm not gonna do that just yet. Actually, I'm just gonna start it. Ooh, that's gonna look weird. Is I don't want to learn. The thing is, there's nothing to like learn with the Photos app. It's just photos. I think they did a good job. Not good, but they didn't completely destroy it. Getting angry retroactively. Uh, just the name Bill Gates just gets my blood boiling. Oh, so this is oh maybe I should. It's gonna force this to be. This is gonna force it to be a kebab case. No matter how I do this, huh? People say that about Steve Jobs. I haven't looked into it that much. There's something about. I watched the documentary. The I think it was the Ashton Kutcher one, but mm, I think it was a pretty good movie. What? What? But didn't he name Lisa after what? Doesn't make sense. Isn't it in the movie? Oh. Wow. Okay. I was like, what? That's confusing. This is too much. This is too much guitar. Oh my goodness. There we go. What am I gonna do with this? Did I lose a GitHub follower? I'm that bad of a programmer. I lost a GitHub follower, I think. Wait, there we go. Demonstration. Dark table. Huh. How can I do this? Also, is there another one I can put in here? No. Fine. Oh, I didn't even think about it like that. That's another thing. I need to. I guess I'll just build it out here. Um, so the UI for this, I can close that. I can close that. I can close that. The UI for this is gonna be kind of weird. Uh, I can close this out. Okay. Yeah, let's do that. That's already closed though, right? Yeah. And what? Import. Common module in here. Form builder or form control? Is it form module? Let me also make an interface of everything I want in here. So basically, oh wait, that's another thing. What all ng on form group? That should be something in here. Private FB form builder. That's what I need to import. Builder. Oh, that made it a whole lot easier. Oh, or is it public? No. I ran out of Google. Oh, okay. I ran out of Google cloud storage, but I'm probably gonna make a new account for the AI plan. I want to try it out. Um, 5 years, and I'm still not good yet. But yeah, I kind of just started like getting semi competent. It comes with time, but about 5 years. Um, hold on, let me link my portfolio. Hold up. I'll just go straight to the projects. Let's do that and that. How long have you been programming? My stuff may not look as good as it won't look as good as yours. But are you a web developer? Oh, ran out of yeah, I ran out of dry or Cloud storage. I think I currently have 2 gigabytes, 1 gigabyte. No, 10 gigabytes, and I ran out. But I'm gonna get the AI plan. And what do you use that storage for? Photos, basically, photos and videos. But the videos I need for stuff that I'm building. What is it? It's not loading. Oh, why is this loading so slowly? I've been thinking about using YouTube effectively as like my video storage. Just make it private. What makes you think that yours doesn't look better? And truly, it's not even about the look of it. It's how much value it provides for you or the people that you're building it for. That's the important part. But there's also time to get better and stuff. So just hang in there, be consistent. I may not be the poster child of consistency, but just be consistent. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. A lot of these things kind of don't make sense for me. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. I don't know what these are, but I'm scared. I'm just an American. I just stick to big cloud providers. That's cool. It's more technical. Or Dropbox. I'm old. And you have things in production. Oh, yes, I have things in production, but no one uses it. So, I mean, nah, does not exist. What are you talking about? Wait. I don't need that. You can test it. Ooh, that's cool. I'm still scared though. But thank you. Thank you. I need more coffee. Let me lock in because I still haven't gotten this done yet, and I still need to get used to The the like I'll make one. Wait, I'll make one. Wait, is there one in Discord? Oh, I think I could find an image of me laughing and make that an emote. Because like effectively, I can do bald, and that'll just like wait. Huh? What is that? What? Anyway, I can just do that. I need to make it. How much of this? Let's do that. That's actually not a bad idea. Can't bind form, huh? That's not right. G model module. Let's do that. No, ng module. Is that even something I would do? How do I do that? Oh gosh, I need to take all this out. But essentially, is it form builder? Why is that a problem? Property. I don't want date. That doesn't need to be an input. Um, date would just be uh, what's the that basically. Uh, You should move the initial into the fine. That's not fixing anything. Oh, what? That's so confusing. Then what is it? Forms module? Really? I'm sorry. Well, I I really don't. That's Twitch like auto generated. I'm sorry. I don't like I don't have control over this stuff. Like I don't have it queued like at all. This is just Amazon being greedy. My bad. I'm so sorry that you have to experience that. You are you are eligible for financial compensation for emotional damages. Oh, well, in that case, um, you love this person named um, Jeff Bezos. Uh, one, one pretty penny. I need to get better at just forms. That's what I need to. Okay, that's what I need to do. Can you walk me how to? Because I built one. It's just a matter of remembering. Tough. Reactive forms module. What is this? NG module is a thing. I think that fixes that. I'll just keep it in there. Okay. Did that fix something? What did that fix? Oh, cool. Okay. Create the form in the component. I've never used Amazon, really. People complain about it all the time, but people still use it. So I don't know what to think of it. But if I ever need something that's on Amazon, sure, I'll buy it. But I've never been like a Prime member or anything. Form builder and form group. Okay. I'm confused. Wait a second. That's confusing. Yeah, me neither. If I need something, yeah, yeah. And besides, like, I lived in like a small town, and like more than likely anything that I needed like right then and there, it probably wasn't gonna come because like something would get like stuck in transit, so it would never show up on time anyways. And it's cheaper just to not buy the like expedited process. So just buy stuff preemptively. Let's do that. Me too. Me too. Let's do that. I like the look of this. Why is this wrong? But not in a rush? What do you mean? Me building it out or me buying it? What is going on? That's another thing that I need to do. I gotta just steal this code. Let's do everything that I have in here. Oh, close that out. So basically, forms module. What does the HTML look like though? Wait a minute. I really just have to get used to starting from zero and not be so gun ho about building this whole thing. So daily entry, that and that. Clean out everything from here. Let's just clean out everything from here. All right. So this is gonna be that. Is that This is going to be. It's not going to be right there. It's actually going to be a span. Uh, let's do that. Please work. Ew. What? String is not assignable to a date. Like what? What? Why does it keep on doing this? Okay. Thank you. Thank you for being alert for as long as you have. I'll probably just be using the rest of my time. Um, I'm gonna try to do this like within the next hour, but probably just locking in because I can't believe that I forgot this much of a form when I just built a form with Firestore capabilities, but I forgot all of it. Right. Uh, no, 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 no. Why is that doing that? I'm trying to copy it. Can't I just do this? Can I just do that? Really? Interesting. Fine. Alright, cool. Wait a minute. Please. What does it look like? So from here, the heck is this? Okay. This forum group is going to be one. Ain't a button. Uh, add new note. Oh, I probably shouldn't add that though. That's for me. I'd be flossing. They talking about my teeth. Losing the key. Let's see. TVs and no beats. Sleep. Sleep. don't do nothing free. That's so weird. Oh, I should not have disconnected my camera. Oh, this is actually upsetting me. Jeez. Okay. What are you talking about? How am I gonna? Uh, is this? It's not gonna say this is necessary. But your HTML, these must match. To have type submit. Fine. What you talking about? This doesn't make sense. What changed? All right, this little true thing is actually kind of okay. Nothing changed. All right, this shouldn't be this hard. Ravioli, ravioli, ravioli. Am I using ng model here? Sorry. I am. ng model to track this. I don't know what this is. actually. Yeah, it's a little bit too dirty. It's a whole bunch of just whatever. Uh, what's the problem? In the middle of the month. Is that it? This editing uses the interface that I would like to use is a date and just that. That would be great. So like that's what that's gonna be. Ooh. It exists. I just need this to. Yeah. This interface is that, but uh, docs, because that's still getting too confusing for me. So I have that. It's still too confusing. I don't want that. Forms module. Do that. Get out of here. Oh my goodness. It's just like playing whack a mole. This is wild. Uh, a whole bunch of nothing and struggling. Um, I want to. Wait a second. There's something in here that's like I don't wait. That's not making sense. That's really not making sense. I'm trying to replicate what I did already, but it's like it's not clicking right now. Let's just take this out because let's do that. NG form. Okay. What is this? Let's just say, what's the argument? Has this already been initialized? No. When I was trying to make. Are you using Angular as well? Submit F. On submit. That? Oh. I'm not gonna put that in there. How you liking that? I didn't like Next.js too much. Please work. Okay, so this hashtag right here is not making sense. Within a group, that's not clicking. I don't know why. Usage notes. I don't want to use that. I want to use form group. It's not bad. I like it. I've only been using it for 3 months. What all have you? Have you only? Is this the only project that you're building right now, or have you already built projects before using it? No. Okay. Const form. Okay. Description. This tracks in instances of form group aggregates the values of each child into one object. That's the key. Oh, why is const not coming along? I guess like my main problem is I keep on just importing random things. Uh, and no, actually, wait, an array of things. Constructor. Uh, is it possible for me to import that? No. What's in here? Like, how did I do this? Forms module. The only thing was a website for my friend's YouTube channel, but broke. It happens. I keep getting a 403 error, but he didn't change anything. I'm not familiar with error codes, but the 400s means it may be an access thing. Maybe. I'm deleting this. Forms module. Uh, and really at that point, in this file, there's that, and then at 34, I import it. Now, for this form, like, how is it constructed? This is aggravating. How is this constructed? All I want to do is just make a simple form and is unauthorized. How is your IP banned? That's what's not making sense. What did you do? Template driven form control. Huh? I thought this whole time that I was using a reactive one instead of a template driven one. Okay. That's news to me. So I have this forms module right here. I need to just make, huh. I'm not familiar with that. There's imports. Notes is actually that. So notes. That. Let's delete this on submit thing and the constructor too. Okay. Let's employ this in here. It's just going to be notes. Please work. What am I doing wrong? Hmm. No, I don't want to do that. Strictly typed? I don't want to watch a video. Form. Isn't that what I did here? Okay. How is this in here a form group? What? Edit. Oh. What are you talking? Fine. Mm-mm. I'm not gonna get this done. Oh my gosh. I'm keeping this, but I need to change this around. This is still NG. Submit. I'm keeping it the same, but this has to change. Uh, Terribly. Um, this is a what? I'm currently struggling right now, and I don't know how I'm gonna get myself out of this. On submit. CLG. Oh, let's do that now. Now I'm in here. This editing that editing. What? Maybe it's daily and dot notes. Note dot yes. Like the most simple form of web development I'm having the toughest time with right now. And it sucks. Creates that. Oh, like, and it's at the point to where I know that AI is not gonna help me because I've tried already and it's just not acting right. Please something like something NG model. Uh yeah, like it's like playing whack-a-mole. I'm trying to one build out my HTML, but my HTML is giving me errors and I don't know which one to use. And it's also to the point to where like it's starting to just all blend together and I don't know. You don't have to be of a like technical help. Really just your presence is helping me feel a little bit better. But thank you. I'll figure my way out of it. It's just a matter of just getting used to all this stuff. What you think? I truly came into this thinking that this was going to be easy, not hard. Regarding what? Just general purpose? I support the vision. Oh, so this is gonna be what text area n- ID no, and how is this gonna be tracked though? It's not updating. Oh, for import daily entry, import date. What are you talking about? Okay, fine. Like what? That was the problem? That's not gonna work. Oops. Oh, cool. That'll be cool. What's the problem with this? Alright. Can this please work? What? Hello? Like, oh, girl. I, I don't know if I have it in me right now to do this. I really don't. Because it's not making sense. These docs aren't making sense. And I don't know which one to use. Like, mm, just make a simple form. Honestly, just make a simple form. I keep on getting errors. This isn't even loading. Like, now it's loading and I changed nothing. Angular does this, and I don't know why. Sometimes it'll hot reload, sometimes it won't. Now that I'm here, what I want to do, I think it's this. Let's try this. Hold up. I want to make a form that I add notes, and if I want to add a new note, it basically is an array of different notes. I, I don't know even how to um construct my questions anymore. Let's see if Gemini can do it. I don't know. Form array. This looks promising. Don't do that. Thank you. Gemini did it. Hmm. Ooh, wait. Sure. At least I made some progress. You know what's crazy? I don't know if you've heard of Bash. He's from where? DFW. I want to say Plano, but yeah, that's what I'm playing right now. What's up? What's up? How you doing? How do I pronounce your name as an input field? Uh, I kind of don't want to do that. Like, I specifically don't want to do that. Let me type it in here. Where is he from again? I want to say Plano. Oh, cool. Cool. I think I know why. Hold up. Huh? That's not why. I was thinking, like, I think I found out why my alerts aren't working, but that's not why. Something is wrong with Twitch. I don't know right now. But, let's just go ahead and add this. Why are you doing this to me? Stop doing that over there. And then add that over here. I kind of don't want to have a label there either. Oh, okay. That works. But I want to understand why it works. And this looks completely different than what I did last time. Let's go back here. Setup form model. It needs to be template driven because what I'm going to be doing is in Firebase and that's going to be asynchronous. So, directives. Also, where in here? Oh, I should probably. Oh, I may have skipped a step or two. NG class. Hmm. Doesn't put it in the DOM. Hmm. This looks kind of complicated. I don't have the mental bandwidth to understand what this is doing right now. I know this is like really simple, but I'm just not there right now. A two-way binding for reading and writing. Okay. Okay. Build the form. Okay. The form layout and details are in the actor form component. Okay. It's not gonna like the array is actually gonna be dynamic. So new actor. This is a little bit too. This is too far along. I need like a bare bones like something. That's not. To track it. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go back to here. All that's in here is forms module. Um, the next step is to bind the input controls. I could probably take this out of here to make it look a little bit better. Yeah, let's do that. That may be better. Entry. I may not put the name of it though. Entry, entry, entry. No, no. Just to line this up. New form control. This when this loads. So form builder dot array. It's going to be an array of the get notes. So this is still using form group. All right. Okay. This is basically all that I want to do. Huh. Truly, with everything that I have, I may honestly take a break. I'm not going to sleep, but I'm probably taking a break. Uh, 'Cause I'm just not mentally like, mm-mm. I'm spent right now. This shouldn't have been this hard. I probably need to like get really, really used to just building forms and different kinds of forms from scratch to make myself a better uh developer as far as like just simple Angular stuff. So yeah. What is this? NG on a net. On a net. Implements on a net. NG on a net. What if I do this? What happens? What? Oh, okay. Okay. That act that actually makes sense. Just add a note to begin with, and then go from there. But continue to get her for easy access. Like continue to get each one of these. Removes that whatever index it is. Remove. Uh. No. Fine. And maybe what I do now is a matter of making it look halfway decent. Uh, this? Yeah. It was a pretty, I would say, pretty chill stream. Uh, Nothing too crazy happened. So, yeah. Uh, let's see what it comes up with style wise. Hmm? I'm confused. Uh, uh, uh. This looks promising. What? Oh, whoops. Huh? Okay. Oh. Mm, this needs to be above here. Yeah, this has to be actually inside of here. Uh, no, I have not. Submit button. But that looks weird. Uh, what is yours? Tags. No, no. So basically, right here, that's form array name. See, I've never used that before, so. Put this whole thing in here. should have what a class of main form content. Put that wrap. Please don't mess this up. Okay. And then for that distinction the from the let's do that. Oh. I normally use the Firebase extension to send emails to people. Actually, I think I have heard of Resend. I think. But I normally just opt towards using what is this called? What is this called? Come on, load. Uh, trigger email. This is what I normally use to send emails to people, and it's pretty cool, pretty easy. Even though I make things hard, relatively easy. Just trying to do something with that. I may need to change this. Oh, that's another thing that I have to do. No. No. What is this going to be called? Like an ng if something. Oh no. Uh, oh, that's cool. I need to start hooking this up to the back end, to the database. Uh, this more or less stays the same whether it's hooked up to Firebase or not. That's what I need right there. And then that. Okay. So let's do. Let me try to do something by hand. Let's do the uh Let's do that. This, that. Ooh, no. Let's do that. Submission message. Error message. Let's do that. Success message. Success message. And then what does not exist? Oh. Oh. Success. Let's do that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Because it's resetting the form, but I'm not getting a feedback message. And these have to be separated from error and success because one has to be green and one has to be red. Yes. For each note. To make it meaningful, let's do that. Now, update the on submit. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's not doing anything. Uh-uh. Let's try that and see how it goes. The main thing is now I need to connect this to Firebase. Then I will be able to use it tomorrow. how you're displaying it. Okay. Okay. Ensure that it's triggered. Okay. Wait a minute. Was that accurate? This isn't automatically going away. Okay, so if I try to. Okay. Makes sense. This is probably going to get a little bit more complicated now. Um, Actually, yeah. I'm probably gonna get off. All I'm gonna be doing is just adding the capability that once I hit the submit button to make a Firestore document. That's it basically. But yeah. This was informative to say the least. Um, but I'll be I don't know if I'll be live tomorrow actually. We'll see. I want to say it's consistent, but we'll see. We'll see. Uh, I still, you know what's crazy? Even though I struggle with Angular today, I still like every day out of the week, I would still choose to learn Angular over React. Still, but I need to brush up on these docs so I can read it properly and stuff like that. There's something about just our favorite technologies is like even though life is difficult and hard, I wouldn't trade it for the world. I really wouldn't. But oh well. I don't know how long I'm gonna take a break, but I may be live again tonight, but probably coding something different. Because by that time I will probably be done with this. I'll probably be, if anything, doing my basically the same thing for not the same thing, but kind of the same thing for my portfolio's admin portal. So yeah. Also, probably adding some authentication here. I didn't even think about that. Um, Tonight, AM, probably still PM stuff, but bleeding into the AM. Maybe, like I said, like 25% chance that I go live again, or that I program again. So, but yeah, I'm probably getting off. I am getting off. But thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Later.